Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick time events in Unity. Quick time events, or QTE, are dynamic, interactive moments where players must react quickly to on-screen prompts. They are fantastic for boosting player engagement and immersion, turning passive cutscenes into active challenges. We will cover how to set up these exciting sequences, from basic button presses to more complex timing-based interactions, making your game feel more responsive and thrilling for players. First, let's set up the core system. You will need a central C# script to handle all the QTE logic, acting as the brain of your system. Next, design a clear user interface element, perhaps a button icon or a progress bar, to visually prompt the player. Crucially, implement a precise timer. This timer will dictate how long the player has to react, typically a few seconds, ensuring the challenge feels fair yet urgent. Now for the actual QTE logic and input. Your script needs to actively listen for player input, like a specific key press, only during the active QTE window. Once input is received, evaluate if it was correct and on time. A successful input might lead to a positive game outcome, while a failed one could result in a negative consequence. This immediate feedback loop is vital for player understanding and engagement, making each QTE feel impactful. Finally, let's talk about visuals and feedback, which are essential for a polished QTE. Clear visual cues like a flashing button or a shrinking timer guide the player. Don't forget audio feedback. A satisfying sound for success and a distinct sound for failure greatly enhance the experience. Adding subtle animations, such as a button press animation, makes the interaction feel more responsive and impactful, truly immersing the player in the moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.